The new Insta360 X5 has an affordable replaceable lens system that you can swap out yourself when you damage your lens, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do it. In the lens kit box you get the lens removal tool, the ring removal tool, a blower, a lens brush, lens wipes, a lens cloth, lens replacement guide and then one replacement lens. To avoid dust and fogging lenses, when you're going to replace one or both of your lenses, then make sure to do it in a dust-free environment. Make sure it's low humidity, shut any windows and doors, and turn off any fans to stop any dust blowing around. Now place all the tools from the lens kit on a clean surface near to where your camera will be. You'll probably only need one lens cloth and one wipe. Place the camera on a flat surface with the lens cloth underneath to protect the good lens. So the scratch lens will now be facing upwards. First remove the lens ring by lining up the orange marker on the removal tool with the white mark on the lens ring. The white marks are positioned at 6 o'clock on the lens, and depending on which lens you're removing, the white mark will either be in the middle of the windshield or above the mic hole on the LCD screen side of the camera. You might need to move the tool very slightly so that it slots into place and you'll feel it make a connection. Hold the bottom of the camera with one hand and now loosen the lens ring with the other hand, and you do this by turning the tool anti-clockwise 2 times around and then you lift it off. The lens ring should now be attached to the tool, so if it's not, then push it back on, making sure the orange and white dots line up. Now lift the damaged lens using the lens removal tool. Hold the camera still with one hand and then gently insert the pointy end of the tool into the gap around the lens and gently lift the lens up. If the rubber seal around the lens moves out of place, then make sure to push it back in. The inner lens has to be perfectly clean, so if needed you can use the lens blower to blow dust from the surface. And now use the lens brush to remove any additional dust or small debris. You can then use the cleaning wipes to clean the surface of the inner lens. And then dry the inner lens using the lens cloth. Carefully open the case with the new lens in and use the suction cup to remove the lens from the case. The suction cup will be pre-attached to the lens. And do not touch any part of the lens with your fingers. Place the new lens onto your X5 but leave the suction cup in place. Now use the lens ring removal tool again, but this time to replace the lens ring. Again, line the orange mark up as before near the microphone at 6 o'clock. Don't put any pressure on here because this could cause you to cross thread the lens ring. Now simply rotate clockwise around about twice. Towards the end of the second turn you'll have to add slightly more pressure just to keep the lens tool in place, because the lens ring will get tighter the more you turn it. And if the tool slips, then simply place it back on in the same place. The lens ring should sit flat, so if yours looks misaligned or raised, don't force it in place, simply unscrew it and then reattach. The white mark on the lens ring should align with the microphone hole on the screen side of the camera or the center of the wind guard on the back of the camera. Now only when you're happy that the lens ring sits correctly and the lens is installed properly, you can then remove the suction cup. Now this final step, which is really important, and that's the stitching calibration. So swipe down from the top of the screen and select the settings menu and then scroll down to stitching calibration. It's best to do this calibration outside in an open space where there are no objects close to the camera. You can follow the instructions on the screen, and once you press calibrate, you'll then hear a 10-second countdown timer. So now extend your arm out in front of you at shoulder level with one lens facing upwards, and keep your arm and hand as still as possible. The camera will take a few seconds to calibrate the stitching, or it will tell you it's not required. So just wait 10 seconds to be safe and then check the camera and press confirm when prompted, and that's it, you're done. This is such a cost-effective kit. It's $29.99 UK pounds and $34.99 US dollars. And it's well worth getting one of these and just keeping it in your kit bag so that if you're out shooting and you damage a lens, then you can fix it on location and carry on filming. And I've put all of the contents in here inside a convenient glasses case that I just had kicking around. This system means that you can take more risks with your camera if you want to, and at your own risk of course. And for a limited time you can get this lens kit free with the X5 when you use my affiliate link down below. And if you want to get the best images in low light with your X5, then you want to watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.